Hello everyone. So in the previous video, we already seen what is merge conflict and we saw the theory. In this video, we will do the practicals. For that, I have created the new repository or new folder named git landing 3. Let's make it git working repository. So I will do git init. Okay. So here I created a new git repository and default I got the default branch, that is main. Let me create one file, touch f1.txt. Okay, if I do ls, that f1 has been created. Now let me see the status, git status. It is showing f1 is untracked. So for that I will do git add f1.txt. If I do git status now, f1 is in staging area. Okay, so I will do that git add git commit -n made f1.txt. So commit has been made. Let me clear it up. Okay. Now let me create a new branch. Okay. Let me create a new branch. For that, what I can do, git checkout -b, let's say b1. Okay. What checkout -b will do, it will create the branch and it will switch also. If I do git branch now, I can see there are two branches. Okay. Let me do some changes in f1.txt. So let me do nano f1.txt. Here let's add the line added in b1 branch. Control S, Control X. Okay. If I see the content now, cat f1.txt line added in b1 branch. Let's do commit. I git status. I can see there is one modification. For that, git add dot means all. Or what I can do, I can use this star. It means all. Okay. So if I do git status now, I see it is in staging area. Let me do git commit -m added a line in f1.txt on b1 branch. That's it. Great. Let me clear it and let me switch back to main. Okay. Git checkout main. Now let me do ls f1.txt exist. Let's do nano f1.txt and there is no line. Let's add a line in main also. Added line in main. Okay. Control S, Control X. Again git status. And I can see there is a modification has been tracked. I can do git add all. Okay. And I will do git commit -m added a line in f1.txt on main branch. Okay. Now if I do git log, I can see both the commits which has been done in main. Let me do clear and then we will start doing the merge and we will observe the merge conflicts. So what was the command? Git merge b1. I want to merge b1, correct? And as you can see, here it is showing merge conflict. Here it is showing merge conflict where in f1.txt and it is showing merge failed, fix conflict and commit the result. And if you can see here, it is also with branch. Here it is showing merging. So merge process has not completed. If I do git log also, git log, there is not new commit. There is not new merge commit yet. Okay. So let's see the state of our f1.txt. As you can see here in the main branch, so here it is showing, okay, this thing, this changes is coming from the head. Where is my head? Currently at the main, correct? And second, this change is coming from the b1. Now I need to manually select which change I want to keep, which change I want to keep. Let's say I want to keep the change from the b1, or maybe let's say I want to keep the change both the from both the branches. So I can just simply delete this, and I can say control S, control X, git status, and there is one modification, git add all, git commit -m, and you can provide the commit resolved merge conflicts. That's it. Merge conflict has been resolved, and now merging process ended. So I hope you understood how to resolve the merge conflicts, how to resolve the merge conflicts, and you understood how conflicts occur. If you remember the last video, I told you how conflicts occur, because in the same line, both the branch, there was a different data, correct? In one branch, I was like telling, if I do, let's check out the previous comment. Okay, so what I can do, git checkout head, after that one. Okay, so let me do git log, and let's check out this commit id. Okay, uh, so for that I will just copy it, and what I will do, I will do git checkout this commit id, and let me do ls, let me do cat f1.txt. So here, as you can see, added a line in a main, so this was the line. Okay, if I do git checkout b1, so if I do nano, or maybe cat will work, cat f1.txt, line added in branch 2. As you can see, in the same line, there was a different data in different branches, and when I was merging the both the branch, git wasn't able to decide which data to select, which data to discard. Therefore, what git told, okay, I'm stopping the merge here, merging process, I'm pausing the merging process. You manually select, you manually select which one you want to keep and what is good for your work or your project, and you do the commit. Once commit is done, at that time merge process will complete. I hope you understood the merge conflict and also how to resolve the merge conflicts. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.